What's up guys, Trey here with AmericanTrucks.com, and today we're checking out this Red Rock hood protector in gloss black designed to fit the 2021 and newer F-150s, but not including the Raptor and trimmer. This is going to be perfect for F-150 owners looking to protect their hood while adding a sleek, modern appearance with that blacked out look to the front end. This Red Rock hood protector offers excellent hood protection from road debris, rocks, and bugs, ensuring your paint stays in great condition. It's very aerodynamic in design, and it complements the contour of the F-150, providing a clean and stylish look without compromising functionality. Made with durable materials, this hood protector withstands the daily driving challenges while resisting cracking or fading over time. The gloss black finish adds a premium touch, matching the other exterior trim pieces for a cohesive appearance. Designed specifically for the F-150, it ensures a precise fit and straightforward installation without any modifications. This hood protector is constructed from high-quality ABS plastic, which is known for its lightweight yet impact-resistant properties. The material provides long-lasting durability while maintaining a sleek and polished appearance. The gloss black coating is UV resistant, preventing fading or discoloration caused by prolonged sun exposure, ensuring the protector looks great for years to come. As far as the pricing goes on this guy, it's coming in right around the mid $100 range, providing excellent value for a functional and stylish upgrade. Installation is going to be quick and straightforward, so we rated only a 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter, and it should take you about 15 minutes to complete. The hood protector mounts using automotive grade adhesive, eliminating the need for drilling or any permanent modifications. It's going to be a simple process. You're just going to want to make sure you clean and prep that surface really well to get that best long-lasting adhesion. Now let's see exactly how this goes on with an install video from one of our AmericanTrucks.com customers.
Okay, now that we have the packaging material and the wrapping discarded, we're just going to start the process of removing the red backing tape from the adhesive strips. And I like to use the edge of a utility knife just to lift up the corner and make it easier to pull that strip off. So we're just going to take a second here and do that now. Now that all the backing tape is off, next step is going to be to move around to the front of the truck. Just simply install it on the front of the hood. I washed the truck this morning to get it ready, make sure I had all the bugs and grime and road debris stuff off the hood.
All right, that's going to wrap up our review and install of the Red Rock hood protector in gloss black, designed for the 2021 and newer F-150s, but not including the Raptor or trimmer. And for all things F-150, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.